Okay, so yesterday we were discussing about the S3 bucket. Okay, so today we will cover all the advanced topic on the S3 bucket. Like in the meanwhile, if you face any issue, if you have any question and confusion, so you can speak out and you can discuss with me on any doubt. Okay, so I will be more happy to answer your queries. So the my uh, my aim is like to be session to be very interactive, so we can deliver our best and you can get the best result. Let me clear this one. Give me a moment.
हेलो
Yes, sir.
सर, गुड इवनिंग। एक्चुअली सर मैंने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया। आप अभी क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं इसमें?
What's a good name?
सर, माय नेम इज कृतिक।
ओके, सो अभी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं एससी बकेट के बारे में। हमने इसी
सर,
को
आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है सर।
अब आ रही है आवाज़ मेरी?
यस सर, नाउ फाइन।
ओके, सो अभी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं एससी बकेट के बारे में। एससी बकेट जो होती है कि स्टोरेज सॉल्यूशन होता है एडब्ल्यूएस में।
तो ये अभी आज स्टार्टिंग की फर्स्ट क्लास है या क्या?
नहीं, ये फोर्थ क्लास है, फोर्थ।
हाँ।
Okay, if you are new to this batch, I think you have missed last three classes. You can go through the recording and you can get all the things, and once you have any doubt you can discuss with me on any doubt.
ओके सर, आप मेरे को ज्वाइनिंग लिंक और वो शेयर कर देना उसका, रिकॉर्डिंग का।
ठीक है, आप व्हाट्सएप पे 1 to 1 पिंग कर देना आप।
ओके सर, ओके।
Okay, so yesterday I have already taught you like this is the S3 bucket. Simple. I will give you some small quick info about the S3 bucket, then I will go on advanced. Okay, so this is the S3 bucket is storage solution service. Okay, and this is like Google Drive you are using in your organization, or if you are using in your mobile phone, so like this is the same Google Drive. Okay, you can store any PDF file, you can store any images, you can store anything like that, like videos, photos, images. Okay, so this is like the same solution, and this is a very cheaper solution as compared to any other solution. Like you use the Google Drive the same way we have in AWS S3 bucket. Okay, we have a 5 type of S3 bucket. Okay, we can host any static website, non-database website, and and non-dynamic website, like which is not a dynamic. Okay, we can only host a static website over the. So we have a 2 type of website in our like in our world: static and dynamic. Static means which is not using any database. Dynamic means which is using database. आप ऐसे याद कर सकते हो, डी मीन्स डेटाबेस, डी मीन डायनामिक. ओके, सो वी कैन होस्ट ओनली.
सर, ये नॉन डेटाबेस क्या चीज है? नॉन डेटाबेस नो।
नॉन डेटाबेस का मतलब ये है कि जो बैकएंड में डेटाबेस यूज़ नहीं करती है, जो सिर्फ आपको दिखाती है कि आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन शो करती है। जैसे आप एक ब्लॉगिंग देखते हो, ब्लॉगिंग वेबसाइट होती है आपकी एक,
हाँ हाँ।
तो ब्लॉगिंग में क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता कि पीछे बैकएंड में कोई डेटाबेस हो रहा हो, कोई फॉर्म फिल करने के लिए नहीं होता कि उसमें आपको नेम, ईमेल एड्रेस, मोबाइल नंबर और सबमिट करो। अगर कोई फॉर्म होता है जिसमें उसमें आपने पूछा है कि भैया वो नेम डालो, ईमेल एड्रेस डालो और आईडी डालो, मोबाइल नंबर डालो, सबमिट करो, तो वो जो आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन है डेटाबेस में जाके स्टोर होती है बैकएंड में.
Anshul sir, could you speak in English, sir, so that I can understand?
Yeah, sure. So like database is like static dynamic website is like for an example, Facebook is having the like form, username and password. You will enter the username and password, and that username and password information will store in somewhere in database. Correct? You fill any form in the website, so these information, your name, email address, mobile number, that will store into the database. So these
ओके
type of website is dynamic website. Okay,
यस सर।
so we can host static website very cheaper solution, like if your requirement is like you need to host any static website over the S3 bucket, then the best solution is a static website you can host over the S3 bucket. Even though you can host a static website on the EC2 machine or Lambda service, serverless, ECR, ECS, EKS, there are a lot of solutions are available in AWS, but it depends on the requirement, because you always prefer cheaper solution and the best solution. Okay, so it totally depends on your requirement, client requirement. So once we do the practical and hands-on, you will get the more clarity as well, but this is just point of view of the theory. Okay, in the S3 bucket you can store any files, folder, images, videos, PDF, anything like that in S3 bucket. Okay, generally what we store in S3 bucket: logs file, configuration file, Terraform state files, static website. These type of things you are going to store practically in S3 bucket. Whatever you can store in Google Drive, you will store in S3 bucket. This is the alternative of it is the same as Google Drive. S3 bucket is same as you are in mobile phone, Android phone, you have Google Drive, same way we have in S3 bucket. Nothing is changed, but the it is advanced bucket is some advanced. Guys, can you mute yourself? I am getting my voice again. Okay, S3 bucket and EBS. Okay, so we will do in more specific way. Okay, so now we will go into the practical way. So let me delete this one. So I will take any advanced topic on S3 bucket. And also meanwhile, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, so I will be more happy to answer your query. Don't hesitate to ask a question. So I'm just removing all the previous things, so it will be more convenient, more easy to all of you. So whenever you open your S3 AWS dashboard, what you need to do, just type here S3 and click over here. And also please, I will let you know, like I will cover from very basic to very advanced. Okay, so be patient and please bear with me. Okay, so first of all, whenever you are creating any S3 bucket, so you will create the general purpose bucket, that is general purpose. So we
सर
have,
इसमें अभी अकाउंट कैसे लॉगिन करके किया आपने इसमें अभी?
इसके लिए आपको एक बार पुरानी आपकी रिकॉर्ड, वी हैव अ older recording, you can go through it, how to create the AWS account.
ओके सर, ओके
Okay, and even though after following the process you face any issue, you can connect with me on WhatsApp.
ओके सर, ओके ओके
Okay, I don't want like other people waste their time, because I have already explained in the previous two videos.
Sir, when I'm creating a AWS account, one of the issue I can, sir.
What is the issue you are facing?
Sir, it is going to suspend, account is going to suspend it again, sir.
It is a new account.
Yes, sir, new account only. I created 3 to 4 accounts.
Why did you connect with the support team? Why it is showing that one error?
It is showing something like your previous accounts are there, then like that, something it is showing, sir. So,
Okay, got it. So your because it is already linking with your previous account. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to create the new mail ID with the new number. You need to log in.
new mobile number also, no, sir?
Yes, new mobile number, new email ID, and it will be created.
Okay.
Okay, because in the backend they are just checking previous account and you have not paid your previous bill and all. Okay, that's why it is showing that one error.
Okay,
Is
okay,
it
sir.
clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir, clear, sir.
Okay, even after process doing the thing, you will not face any issue.
Okay, sir. If is there anything else, I will connect with you, sir.
Yes, you can definitely connect with me. No issues. Okay, so whenever you are creating any S3 bucket, so we have a 5 type of bucket. General purpose is a very important. Whenever you will create any bucket, so you will be create the bucket general purpose bucket. So how to create the bucket? Click over here and select the region here and give the name here. my website.com. Okay, I take any name like mywebsite.com. And ACL disable, ACL enable, I will not give a, because I will write the policy here. Yesterday yesterday in the yesterday session I already explained you ACL policies. Okay, so I will not explain again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. Yesterday I in detailed give the explanation on this topic. Okay, so if I am this ACL disabled, so will that is pretty much sure I will write the policy here. Okay, so you want your bucket to be public or private? So I want my bucket public. So we have a two category, bucket public, bucket private.
सर वो ACL enable disable क्या करता है सर, वो थोड़ा बोल दीजिएगा.
ACL ये होता है कि सिक्योरिटी, इट इज़ अ फीचर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. So if you want to secure your S3 bucket, so we have a two option, ACL or bucket policy. ACL is a manual, like once you enable the ACL, so you will enable you will make your content public with the help of ACL. And if you are not ACL disabled option, then you will write the bucket policy to make all the content to be public. और आप मेरी कल वाली एक बार वीडियो आप देख लेना, तो आपको एक बार क्लियरिटी हो जाएगी. मैंने प्रैक्टिकल किया इस चीज़ के बारे में, पूरा एक सेशन लिया था ACL पे मैंने.
सर मतलब अगर ACL डिसेबल करते हैं तो हमारा जो
Policy.
कंटेंट है वो पब्लिक नहीं रहेगा.
करेक्ट. आपको यू नीड टू राइट द पॉलिसी देन.
और पॉलिसी में हम क्या लिखते हैं?
पॉलिसी में, इन पॉलिसी लाइक यू विल राइट व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट, you want to make your data public or private.
अगर ACL एनेबल करते हैं तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है पब्लिक हो जाएगा.
हाँ, you need to tick on it, like which file you want to public, you need to click on that one only.
Reckon, if you don't mind, could you speak in English? We also understand what we are discussing.
Yeah, he is asking about ACL and ACL.
Yes, sir. If anything else also, if any I'm having also doubt, so all people need to if we talk in English, then we can able to understand, sir.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. Like it's their choice, like they are asking question in Hindi, English, but I will answer mine into English only.
सर ये ऑब्जेक्ट ओनरशिप एंड ACL डिसेबल्ड ये सब चीजें क्या है इसमें?
Object owner preferred means like we have a two categories, like who creating the bucket. Okay, and the second thing is who is uploading the files in the bucket.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible to you now?
Yes sir, now fine.
Okay, so bucket owner, like who is the owner of the bucket? Clear? Who is the owner of bucket?
सर बकेट के अभी तो इन दिस अकाउंट बकेट के ओनर तो आप हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ यूजर नेम में तो अंशुल गोयल
Yes,
दिखा
as
रहा
of now, who is the bucket owner? Anshul Goel. Got it?
है. Yes,
And
sir.
like on the same account, like Gopi and me and Samir all are working on the same account, Anshul Goel. Anshul Goel is uploading one file A. Samir is uploading in the bucket file 2. Gopi is uploading the file 3. So we have a 3 files in the same bucket. So object owner is different. We have a 3 object owner, Samir, Gopi and Anshul.
Sir, do we going to provide the access permission for the object writers?
Yes, it depends on you, like ऑब्जेक्ट ओनरशिप बकेट ओनर के पास रहेगा या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट राइटर के पास रहेगा ओनरशिप.
ये परमिशन कैसे देते हैं सर? मतलब
Yes.
अभी आपने बोला कि समीर ऑब्जेक्ट राइटर है या फिर गोपी ऑब्जेक्ट राइटर है. आप तो ऑब्जेक्ट राइटर रहेंगे ही, लेकिन ये जो है ये ऑब्जेक्ट राइटर मतलब समीर का अपना AWS अकाउंट रहेगा या कैसा रहेगा? या फिर इसी
Samir is a user in this account. Like in Windows, you have a Windows. Okay, in the Windows, you have a user 1, user 2, user 3 account in your Windows. So
Exactly, sir.
we will create a user in this account. In Anshul Goel account, you will have a multiple user who will be working like this is a Zomato application. Okay, 50 or 60 developers are working on the same application. So you will create a multiple user, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 5, and so on, so on.
Exactly.
Got it?
So, what we basically understood is that at an organization level, we'll have a single AWS account, and in that we will be having different users defined.
Yes, correct.
And okay, with their user credentials, they will be accessing that single AWS account,
Correct, correct.
and they will be working on their task accordingly.
Correct, correct, correct. You got it right. I was trying to explain you.
Okay, sir, got it, sir. This is pretty much clear now, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, now you want to make your bucket public or private? So I want public. Bucket versioning, so I will enable that one. Tag name.
सर इन दिस जो एक मिनट स्क्रॉल ऊपर करना थोड़ा सा. So in this, like you have written a block public access and block public access settings for this bucket. So what is this thing?
This thing is like we have a two condition to make our data public. First of all, like if you want to make the data public, to make the files public. Okay, so we have a two criteria that need to be matched. The first one is bucket should public. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to do. Bucket need to be public, I will do. Then files should public. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to make the file public, two things too should be public. Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, then what about this ACL enabled and disabled? In that also we are going to make the things public and private, right?
Yes, ACL is for files. ACL will apply over for here. S3,
Okay.
you can take any option, SA bucket policy. Okay, or you can take any ACL. It depends on your requirement. It will apply over here, and bucket should be public.
At files level, that is basically at object level, we have this S3 bucket policy or ACL. But at bucket level, we have making it public or we are blocking the public access.
Yes, yes. Bucket public. Yes, I want public bucket.
Okay.
Clear?
Can you please make this much more simpler, because this is getting somewhat confused. I mean, at bucket and then object and bucket we are making it public. ये थोड़ा आप simplify कर सकते हैं सर?
देखो सिंपल सी बात है, हमें we have to do two things. First of all, bucket should public. Okay, while I am creating the bucket, I am giving the public. Okay, मैं बकेट को
तो
पब्लिक कर रहा हूँ
इसमें
अभी.
पब्लिक प्राइवेट का यहाँ क्या बार बार इसमें रोल आ रहा है बकेट वाले में?
अगर आपको अपनी फाइल्स को पब्लिक दिखाना है तो आपको ये दोनों चीज़ें लेके आनी पड़ेंगी ना.
अच्छा, तो मतलब ये किसी को भी एक्सेस हो जाएगा जो भी कोई अकाउंट लॉगिन करेगा इसको?
हाँ.
Kritik, please could you speak in English, Kritik? We are also understood. I am not knowing Hindi at least. Reckon also.
Yeah, if you want to make file public, then bucket public and files should public. Both things should be public. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here for the bucket public, I am giving here bucket public. So this will make by bucket public. Bucket public. Okay.
Sir, can you please scroll up, sir, for ACL what you have given?
ACL disable. Now I will guide the policy.
Okay.
So we have a two option
For
ACL.
object ownership we have ACL, and for bucket ownership we have public this thing blocking the public and okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So now I am giving bucket public. versioning enable, and I'm giving the tag name here, name new bucket, new zone. Okay, I'm giving any random name. Okay, then I will create the bucket here. It's not showing because I need to give another name here, website double E. Okay, so it should be the unique all over the world bucket name because it's a global service. Now my bucket is created. Okay, so what I will do, I will go in the properties, in the property session I will search here static website hosting. Okay, so we have a n number of things we can do in it, depends on a requirement, totally depends on requirement. So but now I will take a as per my syllabus curriculum I will host the website here in the static website. So do you want to host a website? I think you are aware of what is the website. Static website means which is not using database, which is not using database. So I want to host a static website here, host a static website. Okay, and what should be the code here, code file. So I will write index.html should my, this is my code part. Okay, in this file I will write some code. It may be Java, it may be CSS, maybe HTML. Okay, index.html is the code here. Then I will save changes.
Sir, this index.html is the front end of the application, right?
Yes, front end only.
Only front end, that that holds only the user interface.
Yes.
Okay. And along with it, you will be having a backend and database. I mean, basically for an application, if it is a 3-tier application, you will having 3 layers.
Yes, front end, back end, database.
Database, okay. And if this is index.html means it is the front end.
Front end.
And in which language this front end code is written?
I will write some code. I don't have any right now. I don't have any code. I will take the help of ChatGPT and I will write some code.
Oh,
Because
which technology is being used?
Java language, CSS, HTML.
Okay.
So sir, in this JavaScript will also come or not?
Yeah, as a DevOps person, you will not any coding.
So, but why you are using like index.html and all these things coding part?
Because developer will give you index.html. Okay, they will give you index.html. You need to host you need to create the infrastructure. You will not write the code here. Developer will come and they will give you the code. Then the rest of the thing you will do.
Okay, so in this AWS, we have to create the instance and bucket.
Yes. You need to create the infrastructure in AWS.
Infrastructure like
AWS,
for example,
EC2
if we want
machine,
to make the
server.
building, so firstly we have to build the base.
Yes, you need to create the server, machine, S3 bucket, load balancer.
Okay. So in this like all in the E form or like some.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sir, I'm asking that all these things will be come in the portal itself, or is there any different site for other things?
Same thing.
Okay.
AWS is only there.
Okay.
So I developer will give you the code, but I don't have any code, so I will take an example of any code. Write me a code, but you will not give it to this one. I am just doing some demo project. Okay, developer will give you the code. He will write the code. He will give you the code. What you need to do? You need to host the website. Write me a code for leave management.
But sir, hosting part we can also do with Hostinger and other things also, or not?
Hostinger responsible for hosting the website. Okay, that is like you are creating WordPress or another website. You can do, But for the large application, Hostinger will not work there. You need to create the load balancer, you need to create the Route 53, you need to create the server, machine, serverless, and lot of things in AWS. Hostinger is
Okay.
for like simple website, but in the case of application, machine learning application, AI application, okay, and other microservice application, you need to use AWS.
Okay, so it means that's why it is came into this picture.
Yes, because AWS give you lot of solutions.
Okay, okay,
Hostinger
okay,
is only for simple solutions, simple website and landing page, okay, simple website.
okay.
But if you are creating any software, so you will not use
It
Hostinger for the creating the
okay,
software.
okay, okay.
But in the industry, you
सो
will
सर
create the
जैसे फॉर
software.
एग्जांपल जैसे कोई अगर हमको जैसे बनाना है कोई होटल का मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का तो फॉर दैट आल्सो वी कैन यूज दिस.
Yes.
ओके.
Kritik, you don't know English or what? Kritik? Hello, Kritik?
यस.
You don't know English or what? I don't know exactly. We are from South people, so I need to understand what sir is telling. Just to speak in English, Kritik.
So developer will give you the code, but I don't have any code, so I am taking the help of ChatGPT for writing the JavaScript code. Okay, this is not your responsibility. You will not writing the code. So I am just taking the example. I copied the code. Developer will give you this code. Okay, you will not create the code. You are not responsible for coding. You are just managing the code. So I will copy the code from here, and I need to create a file here, index.html. So how to create the file here? Add files. Okay, first of all I need to create in my machine, then I will add file index.html here. Okay, so because this is my MacBook, okay, so in your machine you can open the notepad, but I will use here terminal because this is my MacBook, okay, that things are different here. cd download vi index.html. In your Windows laptop you can open notepad. Okay, I created index.html here, then I will upload index.html here. This is I created, okay, just now. Now what I will do, I will upload here. So I uploaded index.html into my S3 bucket. Okay, if you copy this URL, open here, this will not work. This will not work here. Okay, access denied. Because why access denied? To be very practical,
Objects,
हमने जो है
objects need to be in
we did
public.
it, we did. Okay, but what you need to do, you need to use this one.
Sir, how is it showing access denied like reason?
Because we did it, but here we didn't do it. Didn't do. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You need to file public with the help of SC bucket or ACL, because ACL is not there, so you will write the policy here.
सर ये ACL तो वही है ना जिसमें अपन ने पहले चेक मार्क किया था
हाँ,
on.
same.
Okay.
Okay, now I will make the file public. So go here and write the bucket policy. Open this one, in permissions, bucket permission, if you see here, we are getting the option of policy generator. Click over here. You are writing the policy of S3 bucket.
Yes.
Click here. You are writing for allowing the access. Principal should be star for all the things, for the all the AWS entity. Action all allow ARN. It is asking about the bucket ARN. That is a unique. Go in properties, copy from here, paste here, / index.html. Okay, add statement, and then now click over here, policy generate, and now you need to copy from here and you need to paste there, nothing else. Just click and why it is loading.
Sir, in this one bucket, we have created one index.html, and based on the bucket policy, this thing we are allowing. We are enabling the ACL through policy. Can we have one more? Since this index HTML is for the leave management, can we have one more index.html in the same bucket, sir?
No, that will override.
So basically,
So sir, for that the name should be unique, na? The file name of like HTML page,
Yes.
like HTML file. Sorry.
Yes.
So we can have only one index.html then.
Yes. You can create the multiple folder. In folder you can create again index.html, create multiple folders. You can create the multiple folders ना, हर फोल्डर के
बट
अंदर
सर
आपको
इसमें कोड वगैरह तो दिख ही नहीं रहा कोई सा भी, तो एक बार बस वो पेस्ट कर दिया तो हो गया.
बस अभी मतलब ये ओपन हो रहा है, इट इज लोडिंग. Go in permission and here I created the policy from here. Okay, I need to write here, but when I'm trying to edit this one, it is loading.
Sir, this JavaScript we can also use to write the backend of the application, right?
Yes, you can do. There are a lot of applications. Python you can use that one. Depends on your project.
Okay.
But most of the time you will be using Java. मतलब you will not writing the code. Developer will writing the code, but you will creating the CI/CD pipeline for the Java based application most of the time.
Okay, but understanding that part will be helpful, right? I mean, which sort of application is being used? If it's a microservice, they might be using Java for one microservice, Python for another, and say PHP for one more.
They will use for the like if your company is working on the AI project, artificial intelligence or machine learning. Okay, so they will use backend as a Python. That is pretty much sure.
For AI projects, Python is the common language being used.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the front end for the AI projects, sir?
Front end, they can use Node.js, PHP or anything, Java, CSS, HTML.
सर Node.js वर्ग तो आई थिंक जावास्क्रिप्ट का फ्रेमवर्क है ना.
हाँ, उसका फ्रेमवर्क है Node.js, उसका फ्रेमवर्क है Node
तो
JavaScript.
वो इसमें उसका क्या यूज है इसके अंदर? जैसे
आपको कोडिंग नहीं करनी है. यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट द कोडिंग.
हाँ नहीं मतलब जैसे मैं एज अ मतलब क्योंकि जैसे मैंने वेब डिजाइनिंग भी किया हुआ है, सो इस पर्पस से पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब इसमें क्या यूज आएगा वो.
इसमें आपको कोई यूज़ नहीं है. इसमें व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू होस्ट द वेबसाइट.
अच्छा, केवल होस्टिंग का ही रहेगा अपना इसमें भी वर्क.
यस यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिलीवरिंग द वेबसाइट टू द एंड यूज़र.
ओके. एंड इसमें जैसे अपना वर्क एंड ऑल टास्क कंप्लीट होता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ से अपन सेंड कर सकते हैं या कोई मतलब क्रिएट करना पड़ता है मेल वगैरह से?
Kritik, sir, if you don't mind, sir, Anshul sir.
Yes, yes.
Kritik is speaking in continuously in Hindi only, sir. I didn't understand. So if he's having doubt also, I need to understand what is going on.
Kritik, please, because as a IT professional, you are going to be in IT professional, so it is highly recommended you will discuss in English. It will be more
Oh,
convenient for your
For,
classmates, no?
oh,
Please
okay,
take
sir.
care
No
of your
issue. No issue. I will.
please take care
I
of your
told I told
classmates.
3 times Kritik till now.
Gopi, but it is always their choice, okay? So you cannot like
Sir,
that say that one. Like also the copy, if you have any question, you can ask into English, but others can just maybe they are comfortable in
yes,
which
sir.
language, so they can ask to me as per the
Actually,
policy.
sir, कई बार थोड़ा सा मतलब
But
प्रॉब्लम हो आता है.
And also Kritik, please try to speak as much as English. That will be beneficial for you in your future time.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
please try that one. But also you can speak in Hindi, but please try to be more into English. That will be
Okay,
more
sir.
good for others as well. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. No issue. No.
Okay. So I wrote the policy here. Now I will save the policy. Okay. Okay. So I have hosted the website here. You can also check in your backend. Is it working for you as not? Please confirm. I want make this session more interactive, so I want whoever is available in this meeting, so I want all the response from each and every person.
Yeah, it is working for me.
Okay, Sachin, it is working for you. Rehan,
For me working, sir.
Yes, sir, it's working, sir. Sir,
Kritik,
this is just front end, right? I mean, if we enter anything and submit, I mean, there won't be any database so that the information gets inserted.
it is only front end, na?
It is only front end, right? I got it, sir.
Okay, so Akshay,
Yes, sir.
Jigyasa, Jigyasa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is it working for you? Okay, is it working for her? So is it working for each and every person? Okay, so if you fill any details here and you will submit here, so it will not work here because it is only just a front end. I am not creating any full application. That it may takes multiple days, 8 days, 1 week, or 1 month, depends on your. But it just a front end only.
Sir, we have also seen, some of the applications which are hosted on HTTPD. HTTPD is basically this thing, right? The application server. Sorry, the web
HTTPD
server.
HTTP is a web server.
Web server, right?
You can host any website.
Okay.
Okay,
And also on Nginx.
yeah, Nginx is also fine. You can host like Nginx proxy. You can host a shadow website over there in Nginx. We have a
Sir,
Tomcat.
but here we are not saying all those things, sir. I mean, what we have done is that we have created a index.html, right? And this thing, the S3 has given us a URL, and we are just hitting that URL, and we could able to access that. I mean, how that part and this part makes a difference, sir?
Okay, this is a cheaper solution. Okay, and for Nginx, you will create the EC2 machine.
Sir,
EC2
what
machine
is
will cost you.
Nginx and this status rejected approved?
This is the like functionality, na? Functionality
So
approve.
this I think we have created like a leave request form in the.
Yes, yes. S3 bucket hosting the website over the S3 bucket, that is a very cheapest solution available till now in the world. Okay,
Okay.
but if you are comparing with the HTTPD, you need to create the machine and machine will cost you.
Okay.
Okay, that will
Okay.
cost
So
you. much.
Okay, instead of creating a machine and installing a HTTPD server into that and hosting our the website on that server, this is the direct way and the cheapest method.
Yeah, it's a cheapest solution available
Cheapest
till now in
solution.
the
Okay.
world. Okay, but in
Okay.
the case
And
of
sir,
like
backend, sir,
only for
okay.
the static website.
Only static website, not the dynamic one.
Yes, not for dynamic one.
Sir, backend must be, something might be going right. I mean, in backend, they might be having a kind of server on which this page is being hosted. But what exactly happens in backend, sir? I mean, if you consider this S3.
Yeah, S3 is hosting as a backend on machine that you don't have any access. AWS has not given you any access to the backend. Okay, how they have configured the S3 bucket, how the S3 is working, so you don't have any access. AWS will not give you an access on that S3 bucket. Okay,
Okay, so
they will
that is
use they will
completely
give
the
you as a
AWS managed part.
yeah they will give you as a service.
Right, right,
If you
right.
want to customize service, you want to manage your end, so you need to create the server.
Okay,
But
sir. I
S3 will
mean,
be managed by
has
AWS.
okay. As Kritik was telling that, I mean, if we have our own some hotel management application, so for that hotel management application, we can host our front end on this S3.
No, that is not possible. You cannot host a dynamic website.
If it is a static one, sir, let us not consider the hotel management one. Let us consider some blogging
Yeah,
application
you can
in
host
which
on. You can host.
okay, sir, and that application has to run for a longer part.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
for that, we will be having our AWS account and we will be taking this S3 service. And how the charges, sir? I mean, how the charges will be incurred for this S3?
Charge will be like very very low. You can consider like negligible.
Okay, if you could tell me in terms of per month, I mean, let us assume that I have got a blogging website and I have hosted this website by making use of the S3 service provided by AWS. And if I want to know the monthly charges, how much it will be incurring, where I could able to see that, or where I could able to get the dumps on that.
Okay, so you are asking about the charges. Okay. Okay.
So sir, in this like this account is I think the basic account या फिर
It's
मतलब
a basic account. Basic,
enterprise account.
basic.
So I think in this there is no charges they ask like in basic.
It is
Yeah, it
like you
will
can
charge.
consider free of cost, like for an very very cheaper solution, like 2 rupees or 5 rupees, maybe they can ask.
तो उसमें क्या सिर्फ account creation or what?
Oh,
Yes,
I think the charges part is for the EC2 instances. I mean,
yes.
for this there might be charges. Even though if it is a free trial account, for S3 we might be having charges.
Or
Yes,
I think sir for free also it's of 5 days. After that we have to pay or what?
yes. AWS pricing calculator, it is negligible. Like it is free for 12 months.
12 months के लिए free है.
ठीक है, मैं कह रहा था ना फ्री है एक तरीके से. सो इट इज़ अ फ्री
हाँ
फॉर 12 months. Okay, and
12 months.
after like 5 till 5 GB it is free. After 5 GB it is paid, like maybe 2 rupees, or मतलब depends on your.
Okay, sir, and just now what we saw this this thing index.html, it is hardly 4.5 KB.
Yes, it is a free of cost for 1 month. You can host any
And
blogging website free of cost.
okay, okay, and this thing the 5 GB in S3 standard storage class.
Yes, for every AWS account.
Has you showed us the slide that we have got 5 different S3 storage classes, and I think this standard storage class is one of them.
Yes. Okay, it is a
Okay,
free.
sir. Yeah.
You can host n number of blogging website for 12 months free of cost.
And what is this 20,000 get request and 2,000 put copy paste? What is this, sir?
To 20,000 get request mean 20,000 time they can open your website. Like if I'm trying to hit over that one now again two get request, now three.
Sir, if
बट सर इन दिस विच वेबसाइट इज ओपनिंग अभी तो अपन अमेजोन की इस पे ही है ना AWS अकाउंट इन
Yes.
they will itself provide the URL, right? I mean, they have got their standard
It is
URL,
a
and if
get
we want
request,
our
like how much.
customized URL,
It is a get
then we
request, how
can.
many times you are clicking on the website. Get
Okay,
request,
sir.
downloading,
Sir, let's
retrieving.
assume that. Let's assume that if 20,000 people on their devices hit this for one, then this gets this 20,000 gets nullified, right? I mean, एक बार में चला जाएगा ये.
हाँ, तो आपको प्राइसिंग मॉडल लिखना होगा इसका.
तो मतलब ये सर बार बार प्राइसेस चेंज होती है और व्हाट मतलब
कांस्टेंट फॉर लाइफ टाइम. अभी तक तो इट इज़ अ कांस्टेंट. प्राइसिंग मॉडल इज कांस्टेंट फॉर इट फ्रॉम AWS बैकएंड टिल नाउ. और मतलब 2 रुपये काटेगा, 5 रुपीज़ काटेगा, 6 रुपीज़ दे विल कट, 10 रुपीज़ दे विल कट. यू कैन चेक द प्राइसिंग मॉडल. इट इज़ वेरी नेग्लिजिबल इन रुपीज़. ओके.
ओके 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 सर एंड इन दिस सर व्हिच टाइम जोन इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस पोर्टल
I think UST maybe.
okay actually I have asked this because for example right now we are in India for example if we are working in for a foreign company foreign client so for that I think time zone will be different
Yeah. No, that is no one. There is no. It is an Indian time zone. Okay.
okay
IST.
okay sir
IST hours.
हाँ इंडियन टाइम जोन आ रहा है ओके
Okay.
ओके
Okay. So
बट सर
on
इन दिस इट्स मेंशनड UTC
UTC
so what
means
is this
आप करना चाहो तो यूनियन टाइम जोन से भी कर सकते हो ना. इसमें +5 मतलब ये दिस इज योर IST टाइम. इफ़ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इन PST, इफ़ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इन UST, इफ़ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इन or any other, okay, EST, you can convert.
okay okay okay
Okay. So any other doubt guys till now?
एंड सर इसमें जैसे क्रिएट फोल्डर का ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है सो वेयर इट केम लाइक बेसिकली फोल्डर
Folder it, you will create the folder in the S3 bucket. Click over here and give the name YOU and the folder will be there. In this folder you can create another index.html, another blogging website.
okay okay so if we upload here it will show in the table
Yes.
okay
Okay.
so it means अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अपन पाइथन एंड ऑल इनकी फाइल बनाते हैं तो वो .py एक्सटेंशन से सेव होती है सो दैट आल्सो इट विल शो हियर
Yes. That should be only front end.
फ्रंट एंड पार्ट ओके
Okay.
यस
Okay guys, so till now I will cover the remaining the SC bucket topics on tomorrow. Okay, then we will cover the next topic on tomorrow. We will start after completing of the SC bucket. Okay, and also like who have not given the fees, please give the payment and you will get into the new group. Okay, because on tomorrow you will not get any link for the demo class, so please pay the remaining fees and you will get the link to join the call.
ओके बट सर अभी मैंने जैसे आज ही फर्स्ट क्लास ही ली है तो इससे पहले की जो मेरी 2-3 क्लास थी तो वो कैसे मैं ले पाऊंगा फिर
Ketik, we will provide you the recording.
ओके
Okay, आप रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना और आपको क्वालिटी तो आपको पता चली गई क्लास की. व्हाट इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ क्लास. यू कैन it is the most interactive class, okay, ever. You can clear your doubt in the class. Okay.
यस सर
और ये तो हमने स्टार्टिंग में करा भी, थोड़ा इनिशिएट लिया हमने 5000 में, लेकिन मार्केट में 15,000 20,000 ये रेट चल रहे हैं, they are asking this much of money. Even
तो
though
सर मतलब इसमें सर्टिफिकेशंस एंड ऑल ये सब भी करवाते हैं आप या कैसे?
या सर्टिफिकेशन रहता है, we will provide you the certification as well. So Kritik and all the people who are available in this call, so this is my book and this is the syllabus which we are going to cover in this whole curriculum. Okay, these are the topics, detailed topics we will discuss in each and everything. After completion of this course, you can consider yourself as a 2-year experienced person.
Okay.
Okay,
So this is it to like how much month course?
2.5 month.
Sir, where we can find this curriculum details?
Okay, I will share in the WhatsApp link, you can check.
Sir, how much time it will complete to course?
2.5 month.
Okay.
Okay, so detailed
So
ये
सर
whole,
आप प्रोजेक्ट्स वर्ग ये सब भी बनवाएंगे इसमें
yes,
या?
for,
Sir, Anshul sir.
yes,
Sir, yes, sir. If you don't mind, I'm understanding very clearly and what you are telling, sir. So I'm not able to understand Hindi, sir. So, if possible, could you please return my amount, sir, please? I'm understanding everything what you are telling, but these people are talking in Hindi only. Again. If we are telling again, they need to discuss in English, sir.
Kritik, please try to speak English, we request you.
Yes sir.
Sir, I am very clear on what you are telling on points, sir. But they are discussing in Hindi. If we have, see, if I am having any one doubt, so I will speak in English, so they can understand in English. If I will speak in, if you are Telugu person, if you will talk in Telugu, how they can understand, sir?
Okay, no worries,
I am
Gopi.
Telugu person, sir.
Yeah, Gopi, no worries.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
it's their choice, okay? Like, if you have any doubt, you can speak to me, okay? I
Yes,
will take
see,
your
sir. Actually,
question.
sir.
I will take your
Yes,
question
sir.
as well.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. So, if they have doubt, if they are asking any doubt also, if they are speaking in Hindi, so in that one, I'm also having. If of course there should be some doubt. So, if they will talk in Hindi, how can I understand, sir?
Okay,
If they
okay,
will talk
okay.
in English,
So,
then I can understand.
Kritik, please try to speak English, okay? And also, please try to be professional. No worries. So here, Kritik, we will cover the 58 project here, and we will give you the YouTube link as well for the some of the remaining project. And after the completion of the course, you will get the certification, which is mentioned in the website. Okay, in the website you can see this is our website and this is our live training session. This is the certification which is being loaded. You can
And sir,
attach
you
here.
provide the examination also of like AWS or
Yeah,
you
we
don't
can
provide?
we can provide you.
Okay.
Okay,
So examination will be online or
online
offline?
online
Any snake?
online